Really a Make in India splash here in Davos. As you can see behind me, whatever you want to make in India. These are some of the posters that have been plastered all over Davos this year, perhaps to reflect Prime Minister Narendra Modi's pet Make in India project. In fact, every year we used to have an India Adda here in Davos, which has now been changed into a Make in India lounge where the Indian delegation led by Arun Jaitley will be hard selling the India story to global investors. You can see this is the entire Cafe Schneider here, very famous cafe here at the promenade, which has been turned into the Make in India lounge. And this is where you'll see Arun Jaitley and the other delegates from the government, Piyush Goyal, you've got Devendra Fadnavis and many others who will be meeting with some of the world's top leaders, trying to tell them that India is the country to invest in right now. In fact, we've been talking to a number of people who already tell us that India will be the star at Davos this year, simply because you've got a time when China is slowing down, where you've got global growth not recovering. Today you also had the IMF cutting the overall global growth forecast. Europe continues to be a problem, and even though America is recovering, the overall emerging market story is coming from India, also because we now have a stable and business-friendly government. And that's why the mood this year really will be to see how India is able to hard sell some of those concepts that the Prime Minister has been talking about. Tell global investors that this is the time to come and invest in India. And campaigns like these will perhaps be one way in which we're going to see the Indian delegation. Of course, the movers and shakers from around the world will also be here as always. From the Indian side, top delegates, the usual suspects will be here. All of top corporate India. A lot of talk, of course, will also be on the forthcoming visit of President Obama to India, which is being viewed by world leaders as a very, very important visit. We will be bringing you lots of live updates, plenty of exclusive interviews and panel discussions from here in Davos. And with that, it's a wrap from me, and a lot more coming up on the other side.